Hey folks, I struggled the last weeks a little bit with ideas. For example, I do not comply the size, but now I started the drone preparing and store factory, my friends. Let's pass the drive problem. I had a huge Blender weekend, but still not enough time for this section. It's too empty, and this time I want store more items, but I gotta to tinker these before. It's the first version from this section and not finished, but that you folks don't think I stopped. A small intermediate video. We are on the left side, and I filled the space between the primary weapon and cryo chamber section. You saw the paths from the drones. We enter here, and after the mission we keep the drones on the rails. Maybe later for verifying, or I don't know. On the other hand, the drones preparing area. Also still hard VIP, but you can see how it works. I think for the next time I make an animation. Some parts are very included, but I think I can fix this by packing the individual parts for the machines in small boxes, for example here. That is for the drive. And now the drones get only two separate components, the drive and the weapon. The weapon are in a clip, comes from above and drops the empty clip out below. You see how much I still have to build. The third piece is the energy core, super important, but the space sink, maybe over here. Then thanks so much for watching, drop a like and a comment if you want to help me out, and see you next time, and make sure you have a great day.